I'm Terri the Tern. I fly here from Africa in the summer to breed in the Solent's Harbours. We know that sea levels are rising. Sea level rise is concerning for people that live, work and spend time by the coast. But it is worrying for nature too, squeezing out coastal habitats and homes for wildlife. Much of our coastline is bordered by artificial seawalls, which protect property from flooding, but they can also mean that precious coastal environments like salt marshes and coastal bird colonies are getting smaller as sea levels rise. We are literally squeezed out between the seawalls and the rising seas, leaving no space for nature. It's not just birds. Salt marshes are important nurseries for young fish to grow before they head into open seas. Salt marsh is front line in the fight against climate change, storing vast amounts of carbon, even more than tropical rainforests. They even provide some natural flood defence, protecting coastal communities. Sometimes seawalls don't protect property, and there's an opportunity to make space for coastal habitats and wildlife. Making space for nature, making space for people, and allowing our harbours to thrive.